If you're a beginner graphic designer, you want to learn how to design a logo from scratch, then you're at the right place. Because in this video, I'll be teaching you how to design a logo in just 3 steps. You're watching Graphic Vibe. Let's start designing. Let's start with step number 1, which is gathering information about the brand. So if you can see the screen, I've gathered 2 points. This is a very basic points for a beginner graphic designer. Create a brand identity for a new e-commerce streetwear brand called Mighty Collective. So this is going to be the brand name, which will include in the logo. The second point is audience. So that would be male or female, age 15 to 28. The categories would be students, youths, artists, musicians, low medium income earners, ethnic background, and singles. So this audience information will help when you're designing a logo. You should keep in mind that you should attract these set of audience with these categories. So we have this basic information here. Now let's move to the next step. So we have come to the step number 2, which is sketching and designing it in Adobe Illustrator. First would be using the text style logo, which has complete brand. And the second one would be using a combination of logo mark and brand name as a text as well. So I'm gonna make this video as fast forward so that you won't get bored. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build on this. Basically this is that M and C, I've just flipped the C so that it look cool. And I'm gonna take a picture of this and put it in the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so we are in the Illustrator right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a shape. And I'm gonna change the fill into stroke and I'm gonna increase the stroke. So what I'll do is I'll hold Alt and Shift and click and drag to make copy and place it in the same place. So for the C, I'm thinking to create a square. So what I'll do here is, if you can see, if you click on the corners of the shape, you'll find a dot. If you click and drag it at the same time, it'll have a curve edge so that it looks like, now it looks like a C. So we create the C like that. Same way I'm gonna show the shapes, 3 shapes as M. So what I'll do is I'll click on the corner and drag it to create a curve so that it will look like a M. I'm gonna change it to fill now. So I'm gonna make a small adjustments so that it look clean and neat. Because I think the 50% of the work is done. So we can use this as logo mark as well. So what I'm gonna do now here is I'm gonna create a shape on this as we have sketched earlier. Always use the alignments in the Illustrator so that it look very even, so that you're not making any mistake while designing a logo. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the all. I want to select Pathfinder tool and I'm going to hold Alt and click and drag wherever I want to erase the shapes. As you can see, the shapes are erased now. So cool, we have the basic outline of the logo. We just have to add the text in the center. Before that, what I'll do is I'll just unlock the background image layer and just move it aside so that we'll have free space to work on there. So basically we have to add the text now. I'm typing the logo name and putting it in the center. I'm choosing a font which goes well with this, a sans serif font. Cool, this looks really perfect. It's not finished, but it looks good for me as a logo. Also, it looks very unique. Now let's move to the next step. Step number 3, let's create a color palette for the logo, and also let's create few mockups and let's see how the final logo looks like. Previous step, you've seen that we have created the main logo here. So this will be the main logo for the brand, and using this we're gonna add some colors and we're gonna create some secondary logo and logo mark. To save some time, I've already created it. I'll just tell you how I did it. It's very simple. I'll just remove the center part here so that this will be the previous design, 50% of the design which we done. So we're gonna use this as a logo mark so that it's very eye-catchy and easy to recognize for any audience or people who sees it, that too particularly for the clothing brand. So we have the logo mark there. And when you come to the secondary logo, here also what I've done is I'll just add a logo mark, and the text I've added next to it, using the perfect grids so that it look clean and neat. The same way I've added the logo mark on the top, and bottom I've added that. So that way we have two secondary logos with us. So we have the logo. For the colors, what I did is I just took basic color. So black is gonna be the primary color for this brand, and I'm gonna use the red and white. So where to use the colors, I'm going to tell you where we can use the colors. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take a logo mark here. If you have the background as red color, you can use black so that it will pop up. Also, you can use white color, which we have it in the color palette, so that it looks really good. This looks very unique and stands out really well. So in case, imagine if you have a black background, so you want to use the logo. Of course, the white will go really well. Also, if you want, you can use the red color also. This is more unique and more street style design. Want to use it, you can use it like this. An example I've shown here. So that's how we use colors for the brands. We have primary logo mark, and secondary logos as well. So the logo design is done. So I'm gonna find some mockups and add this in the mockup, and we're gonna create a presentation slide. Okay guys, finally what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a mockup for the logo which we designed. Always go to the website called FreePick. You'll get a lot of free mockups which we can use it. So if we give it a search, we'll get a lot of mockups. Some are free, some are premium. So you can select whichever you wanna use it. I'm going to use this one. It looks way more bold style, and I think this would be perfect for our logo mark which we have created. So I'm just gonna download this. Okay, so as you can see, we have downloaded the file. You can just double click it so that it'll open in the Photoshop. Layers named as replace this. So you have to just double click on that. It'll add your logo here. I'm gonna adjust the size. Okay, the file is saved here. So if you can see here, I've saved the file as a PNG image. So I'm gonna drag and drop in the project. I'm gonna put it in this template here so that we'll have some logo mockup. And that's how you create a mockup. So I've used this image. You can use whichever image suits your brand and the logo. Okay, so I have just created a template here. So firstly, what I've added is I've added a primary logo here, and we have added the logo mark, and also a mockup where the logo mark will go, and we have the secondary logos here, of course. And also I have created few other mockups as well. Also I've created an online store, how the logo will look when they place it in the online website on the store, so that they'll have a clear view on that. So that's the template here. What I'll do is I'll add this template in the description for you guys to download and explore with it. And it's done. We have created a logo design with mockups and secondary logos, everything. And we have a template which we can send it to client, or else you can just post it in your Instagram page also. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe and like for more graphic designing content.